God damn it. God damn it. Fuck. God damn it. Whose fucking dog is that? God damn it. You can see where he hit right here, and I got everything on camera too. I'm gonna clip it as soon as I get back to the house.
Okay.
But I'm coming through the corner right here, and the dog just come blast and hit here, hit my fender. All of this is broke out.
What kind of dog was it?
Looked like a little greyhound almost dog or something kind of
Okay.
thing. I mean, he
See
was
the
running
dog,
just
LT?
fast as he could.
You see the dog? Where's
Is the dog all right?
No, he's got a broke leg.
Yeah. Somebody gonna have to pay for this bike.
No, you gonna pay for my dog.
No, I got video.
Around this curve.
I
Boy,
got
just
video.
watch me.
I got
know you
video.
got a video.
Hey, I got video. I wasn't speeding, and your dog should be on a chain.
What?
I wasn't speeding. I have GPS on my camera.